What is the average electrician salary in Armenia? The average salary of an electrician in Armenia is 7,400 US dollars a year. That is the average annual gross salary before tax, but tax takes a share and leaves $5,800 after tax. That brings home roughly $483 a month. While that is the country average, wages in Yerevan are higher, where people take home $6,800 after tax, so you earn more in the main city. Even so, higher rent there offsets that advantage, which is why some stay in smaller towns where expenses are lower. On top of that, your income grows as you gain experience, because an entry-level electrician salary in Armenia starts below the average, but pay goes up quickly after a few years before it plateaus. A university degree is not usually required for this trade locally, though having higher education helps you move into higher paying positions, like electrical inspector or project manager. Finally, small local firms pay less, whereas international companies offer much better electrician pay, so employer size makes a big difference to your total electrician income.